Hi friends, I'm back with one more video showing products related to cookers. They are separators. Separators are nothing but utensils stacked one on top of another, which are used in cookers. Generally cookers are designed for direct cooking, but in case you need to cook 2 or 3 food items like rice, dal, vegetables or even non-veg items, then it is recommended to use separators so that it can save time and energy, and also cooking can be done simultaneously and hygienically. So in this video I'm going to talk about all the separators which I'm using for my various cookers. Even rice cookers have separators. I too have one and I'll be showing it in the end. And please watch the video till the end because I'll be giving tips on using separators and also how to choose them. Those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd request you to please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to know about future updates on my videos. So let us now see my different separator collection. These are the first ever set of separators which I purchased and I was using. They are aluminum. I don't use them because I've got rid of that aluminum cooker. It was old. I have shifted to stainless steel cooker. These are the stainless steel separators which I bought it along with my first stainless steel prestige pressure cooker. So this stainless steel separator is of very good quality, and as you see the handle, this handle makes it very convenient to lift and place it, and it also does the job of a grid. So when there is a handle or the lifter, you can place it as it is. You can fill your rice, dal, vegetables and then cover it and place it as it is over water. But these are another set of 2 separators, stainless steel, which I use for my other prestige cookers. This fits perfectly in my 4-liter prestige cooker. I'm having a grid because though it has a groove and it fits perfectly, but it doesn't have a stand, so I have to place one, fill something like rice or dal and then place the next one. And you can see there's enough gap and it doesn't touch till the top. So this is apt for this. And this is another set of separators, smaller capacity for smaller quantity of rice, dal, vegetables. This also can be kept in this bigger one and there will be enough space. And there is one more 3-liter cooker which I have shown in my cookware collection video. This cooker has low height, and if I keep it as the separator together, this will not close. So this is not ideal for it. Even this diameter fits, but again this will not be perfect for it. So when you use these kind of containers or the separators, you have to separate them. You can't use both the separator at a time. You have to make your own combinations. So this is the latest addition to my collection of separators, set of 2 for my butterfly cooker, which I can keep any 2 items in this, rice and dal or dal vegetables. And it comes with a stand and a handle, so I don't need any grid for this. It's a small 3-liter cooker and it is perfect for this cooker. These are one more set of aluminum separators, set of 3. You can see there are grooves, so they fit perfectly. Steam vent, and you can see one is bigger and 2 are flat. So it's ideal for cooking rice, dal, vegetables. This I bought it for my very old electric rice cooker. One above the other, you can just place it. How to choose separators? Firstly, go for stainless steel separators because they are dishwasher safe and they are long lasting. But go for a separator of the same brand of pressure cooker which you buy. If you get that, it's ideal. Go for separators with stand and a lifter. If you don't have a stand or a lifter, then you have to place a grid in the cooker before placing the separator. Also check whether you have grooves so that they fit snugly one over the other. Remember the capacity of your cooker for which you are buying the separators. Accordingly choose the separators. You see that it fits in your cooker properly, allowing enough space around as well as in the top and the bottom. Can you use a separator for this small 1.5-liter cooker? I'll show you a jugaad. I'm sure every household will have a tiffin carrier hot case like this. Usually these hot cases, they come with 2 or 3 containers of different sizes, different heights and diameters. So take 2 or 3 of them depending on the cooker capacity. Place it one above the other, of course after pouring water below, and then you can use it. If it is too tight fitting, you can remove the top lid and you can just use it. So this is my own innovation. Try it if you like the idea. I hope you liked watching the video showing the various separators collection which I am using. Share your thoughts on the video in the comment section, and in case you have any request for future videos, feel free to write to me. Please keep watching my channel to see more such interesting videos, and thank you for watching, and bye bye till my next video.